Hey folks, Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. Yeah, it's kind of familiar looking. Yeah, I call it the B-170. B meaning, of course, it's baritone. So, yeah, kind of borrowed a body shape. It's what I call twisted classics. You'll be seeing a few of these. I've kind of, cringed and stayed away from doing a lot of traditional body shapes or shapes that we've seen on other guitars. And then I thought, why not? There's some that we can do, but let's do something different because I want to keep with that mantra of no boring guitars. So you're not going to see a lot of your standard issue type stuff that you see everybody else doing. Yeah. Bajo Sexto. Have you seen a multi-scale 12-string bass guitar before? I haven't. But anyway, that one's coming up next. But let's demo this one for you, the B-170. So it's 30-inch. All the other description details are going to be below. But yes, it does have a Floyd Rose. And let's do a sound demo. Now, I've been practicing with some stuff, but that's the number one rule of improv is to practice a lot. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think Miles said that. But anyway, so who knows what I'm going to come up with? Because you know me, who knows? Anyway, I'm going to start with clean, and let's get a rhythm. I don't like that beat. Not working for me today. That's the one. You can tell I'm old. I got the old chord patterns. A little reverse there. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's get some thump going. I thought I'd keep this clean for a while, but heck with it. This guitar is going to sound so good distorted. Wait till you hear it. add a little more chorus here. See what we do with that. I'm gonna light it up. Helps if I get on the right key. Oh man, I embarrass myself at least twice a week on this YouTube channel. I don't know what else to say. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, this guitar is going to be available on Reverb here very shortly. Check it out, and yeah, with any luck, yeah, people know how to play music and make music and do something with this thing. It's sustain! Even when it wasn't plugged in, it was still giving sustain. That's what you gotta love about locking Floyd Rose tremolos. I mean, that thing is still basically in tune. It's amazing. And I did everything but stomp on it and set it on fire. Which, you know, you can do once it's yours. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.